Hi everyone, this is Maria Evangeline. I choose production materials and management based on material handling. What is material handling? It is the art and science of moving, packing, and storing of substances in any form. It is the function of moving the right material to the right place in the right time, in the right amount, in sequence, and in the right condition to minimize production cost. Let's see what are the advantages of material handling. A good material handling system minimizes the movement of material, moves them continuously and at minimum rate, which is advantageous as under shorter operating cycle, reduction in material handling cost. It eliminates unproductive handling of materials like backtracking, rehandling, etc. It reduces idle machine capacity through ensuring better turnover of investment. It eliminates the factory hazards and thus increases the safety of the operators. The quality of materials is maintained through minimum human touches, elimination of breakages, etc. It avails of greater economy in storeroom and facilitates material issues. It helps in maintaining effective production control. It helps in providing better customer services due to reduced material handling cost, better quality of products, timely production. The first principle of material handling is not to handle material at all. The materials must be moved as little as possible. The time for each move should be minimized. This can be attained through shortest routes and use of mechanical material handling equipment in place of manual labor. The principle of unit load should be applied. According to this principle, the material should be moved in lots rather than on individual basis. The gravity should be used wherever possible as it is the cheapest source of motive power. Rehandling and backtracking of the materials should be avoided. This is attained through proper layout and efficient routing and scheduling. The material handling services should not interfere with the production flow. The safety of the people must be taken care of. The provision of standby facilities should be made so that the sudden breakdown may not paralyze the operations. Types of material handling equipment. Hand trucks or sack trucks are the common wheelbarrow which is suitable for carrying small quantities of sand, gravel and other loose materials. Sack barrows are intended for bagged goods. Their use is very common. Selected trucks. These trucks may be two-wheeled or four-wheeled and vary in size and shape. The common type is the four-wheeled truck with 2 or 3 shelves looking almost like a domestic trolley. Such trucks are used extensively where incoming and outgoing consignments consist of varied items like machinery or transport spares lying in different parts of the building. Hand stacker. It consists of a vertical framework of angle iron carrying a platform which can be raised or lowered for stacking or unstacking. Pulley blocks. It is geared pulley system fixed to one overhead beam and fitted with lifting hook at the end of the chain. It is slow in operation but is suitable where the need for a heavy lift is occasional. A chute is a wooden or metal trough inclined in such a way that the articles slide down when placed upon it. It is used for transporting stores from upper to lower floors and can best carry loose materials and light packages. Roller conveyors. These conveyors are made of metal framework bearing horizontal rollers and goods to be carried or pushed along the top of the rollers. Roller conveyors are used for fairly heavy packaged goods. A large number of items in the stairhouse are binned or racked by hand-operated trucks or trolleys. Shelves and racks should be arranged with enough space in between and also with adequate passage space. Steel hands. There are some other materials handling equipments which are called steel hands. They are floor trolleys, trailers, wheelbarrows, etc. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation about material handling.